Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. Today we're going to be looking at the rich TabStrip plugin that comes bundled with the Raxen Framework 0.2 release. Raxen is basically a combination of CSS classes and JavaScript jQuery libraries that anyone can use to easily create accessible, standard compliant and elegant looking websites with just a few lines of code. We're not going to be looking at all the features of the Raxen framework today. To do so, you can easily navigate to the xwisdomhtml.com website and select any of the links to the right of the web page. These will give you a lot of information about the features and how to get started with the framework. So for today we're going to quickly look at the TabStrip documentation web page. Here we see that we can quite easily set up our tabs for our website or application by just simply including a few lines of code. Here we have a UL tag with 2 items, and each item corresponds with the divs below them. So here we can see that the item ID for this anchor tag is directly linked to a div that contains the content for that tab. Now without JavaScript, this tab will be rendered in a manner that's similar to what we've seen here. So if we're looking for dynamic features such as Ajax, loading, tab clicking features, then we would certainly have to include the rich TabStrip plugin. This is how we would include it within our JavaScript code. It's very simple and easy to do. So you could visit the TabStrip documentation page and quickly look at all the features and ways of you can go about installing the TabStrip. So for now we're going to just go straight to the demonstration page where we can look at the tab. Okay, here we have a basic layout. This is what the tab will look like by default, but we can always change the look and feel by assigning a new custom theme to the tab. So here we can see that it's very easy to change the look and feel of our TabStrip by applying custom designs using CSS classes. It's very simple and straightforward. Not only can we change the look and feel, but we can also change the effect. By default it will fade in and fade out, but once we apply some custom animations using the jQuery interactive APIs, we can easily add great looking animations. So here we'll change the theme, go to the scroll effect. Right. Okay. Another cool feature of the tab is the autopilot feature, which basically changes the tabs based on the amount of milliseconds that you specify. So for every 3.5 seconds or 3500 milliseconds, each tab will be displayed in a sequential format. So the system can be used for much more than a simple tab navigation system. It can be used for content rotation and stuff. Another feature here, we can randomize how the tabs are displayed. As you can see that it's switching back and forth between the various tabs in a random fashion. Let's just disable that. And finally we're going to look at the Ajax loading. This tab will load content from a remote page and insert in our current page. So this here is an Ajax content that's loaded from another file. You can view that by looking at the source of the page. Here we have it, remote.html, and the content will be loaded directly into our Ajax container. So that's basically it for our TabStrip. You remember that you can always visit the Raxon examples by navigating to xwisdomhtml.com, where you can learn a lot more about the framework and look at all the various CSS classes, features of the TabStrip, features of other plugins, and see examples of how you can easily integrate these cool features within your website or application. Be sure to check out the source code, which shows examples of how to create custom themes and to do other cool effects and animations. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned to xwisdomhtml.com or to my YouTube channel, where you will see a lot of other cool features as time passes by. Bye.